We're taking you straight to Midnapur in West Bengal. 15 people have lost their lives after consuming spurious liquor. Angry locals set on fire the house from where this spurious liquor was purchased. 16 people have so far been arrested. 15 people succumbed to drinking fake liquor. Dozens others are unwell, several hospitalized. Now, this spurious liquor was sold in 2 villages in East Midnapur district. The police had to resort to lathi charge against the mob which set the house on fire. A series of raids are being carried out at different places around the Moina Tehsil as part of investigations. India Today's Manogya Loiwal now joins me with the latest on the Hooch tragedy. Manogya, what more do we know of the hooch makers? Who are the 15 who've been arrested?
Well, these are all people who've been affiliated to the factory that was involved in manufacturing of the spurious liquor as well as the hooch that was being supplied to the local shops. Interestingly, whether there is an affiliation to anyone who has a clout in this area is yet to be ascertained. However, the administration is trying to leave no stone unturned as far as the arrest of the people involved in this are concerned. More than 15 people have been arrested, and on the contrary, more than 15 have almost lost their lives. So it took a toll of more than 15 people to at least open the eyes of the administration, who realized it only after the loss had taken place. As far as the locals are concerned, an agitated mob resorted to almost setting ablaze in the entire establishment of the spurious liquor in the surrounding area, in the Moina area, and with that the police had to resort to lathi charge for quite some time, injuring a few. However, they were able to control the mob only after a few hours.
Okay, now is this one batch of spurious liquor that was made in one locality? Is this a wider malaise that the police need to deal with?
Of course, Gaurav, it's not for the first time that it has happened in West Bengal. We've seen it South 24 Parganas, North 24 Parganas, Midnapur, East Midnapur, West Midnapur. All these remote areas have always been having a supply chain of these hooch. They have been in fact using railways as a mode of transport also, where we know that a lot of spurious liquor has been caught during the transferring from one place to the other during its transportation. But interestingly, we've always seen that it's always the loss of lives that awakes the administration. Till then, they do not take any action. This, however, was another such incident where we saw, unfortunately, 15 lives and 15 families being destroyed, after which the government of West Bengal as well as the East Midnapur administration woke up to the cause.
Manogya Loiwal, for the moment, many thanks for joining me. Keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more.